Hi, I'm Avery, and this is my movie ranking analysis of the year 2000. I first created a class called Movie with the init class method that takes four arguments with the listed attributes below, rating being private. Then I have one private and two public class methods, rating being private. And then I have a rep class method using the following attributes, as well as the magic method of the greater than for the movie rankings. This is then imported through a py to my final code here of import movie from classroom project. Then I have a list that's going to be coming up soon, then the tuple set and the dictionary. And then I then inserted a function with the following arguments and movie detail information, and then using a while loop for the first input interaction for the user of inserting a genre, and hopefully it matches, um, the movie information. If not, then they have to keep trying to find the genre that matches this set of best movies. Then the list of all the movie information. And this is a for loop to go through all the movies here, making sure that the movie matches of what the user inputs, revealing ultimately all the movie information. Then I have the genre name being printed for the user, just to give a little bit of hints of um, ultimately the best rated film. Then I have the conditional if using the movie class of which movie ranks higher using range here, um, and then using the list here, compare movies to see which rating is higher um, without revealing the actual um, number rating. And of course, since I'm using this greater than symbol from the movie class, in the main code, we can use the loop to compare each movie to the next one, hinting the increment here. And then using a try block um, to reveal the highest ranking film, letting the user guess using the rating set of the options here, and revealing the movie ultimately of what has the highest rating. Um, if it's greater than or equal to 5, then it's going to show the best movie. If not, it's close, but they have to keep guessing. So it breaks after they finally guessed it. Then there's a value error if it's not in it completely. Then I have an input output file for the fun fact of the best movie using the open and read, and then file not found error. Then I'm going to just, do it all caps for fun since we're able to do it and still read it. And off the bat, it's going to show the chosen genre in the movie details. Of course, there's a little bit of a hint there, but it's just giving them input and user motivation to find out the total um, best ranked film. Then I have the nominees listed here. And then the game of which movie ranks higher without revealing the rating. So it's kind of giving like, wait, what's the actual rating to these movies? Then let's say we're going to input 8.4. Of course, that's not the highest ranking because we know out of all these, 8.5 is the highest, but it just shows you the movie that's matching this rate. Then I'm going to put 8.5 in, and Gladiator is the highest ranking film of 2000. So it says congrats on revealing the best film. And then I'm going to reveal the fun fact here. So I'm going to type it in, um, wrong on purpose. So it shows that it cannot reveal the fun fact. So I typed it in wrong. So let's hopefully I type it in right this time. Revealing the fun fact about Russell Crowe being the best Oscar nominee and a winner for Best Actor, and Ridley Scott being the director. And then I have the unit test, including the class movie with the private and public methods here, using the two public methods to be tested, and using a Jupyter Notebook shortcut. Found on Stack Overflow to run this test to make sure it's okay. And so that is what I included. And so overall, this is my presentation for my movie ranking. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.